everybody. Hope you're all having a good day, morning, afternoon, nighttime, typical intro, whenever you're watching this. But before we get into anything, if there's any of you guys suffering through suicide thoughts, please use the link down below. Somebody loves you, I do. So, today, we're going to take this thing down Yonge Street, just for fun. Because it is quite interesting. It's a giant truck, 9-inch lift. And it's a very big city, and there's lots of people. And it's the first nice day of the year. So Toronto's gonna be hopping. It's gonna be crazy. It'll be full of a lot of people. But yeah, let's get this day started. Let's get heading down there. Usually where you hit traffic, because everybody starts to slow down and look at the CN and all the buildings. You can see the old Sky Dome or Rogers Center, whatever the hell they call it nowadays. Then you start getting over, because we're there. It's kind of like a landmark. It's a good thing to park beside the CN Tower. You always park at the Rogers Center parking. I do, because then you have a giant landmark showing you where your vehicle is. Oh, I just walk that way. My vehicle's that way. It's right there. How do you know? Because we park beside the CN. It's right there. Snapping necks already. I'm sorry about your neck, guy. Poor Toyota Camry. Poor neck. I've seen a lot of necks snap. Ow! Ow, I feel bad for him. I haven't really seen anything that interesting. I've seen a Demon, seen a C7 Corvette, but now that we're getting into the city, it's rough. We'll start seeing stuff hopefully. Now I just want to get over to the CN Tower Rogers Center parking so I can get a thumbnail. And then we're gonna cruise down Yonge. Okay, that guy was nice enough to let me take my shots and yeah, so let's get a good song going and let's start annoying everybody in downtown Toronto, shall we? Taking a picture.
When I was just
night in the moonlight, you'll be here soon. Everything feels wrong, guess it's in a bad mood. Feeling broken hearted over something that never was. Never was, never was. Ooh, I thought it'd be me and you. Ooh, I guess it wasn't true. If I only knew what you put me through, I don't deserve this. I thought it'd be me and you. Hard to be your friend when you act this way. What message are you trying to send? What's this game you play? Tell me that you love me and you need me, but leave me out to dry. Oh, why, oh, why? Ooh, I thought it'd be me and you.
What's going on, everybody? I hope you all enjoyed that cruise. I know I did. It's been a while since I've had this thing out in the big city, and I always love it. Always love it. Watching everybody go, whoa, that thing's actually dirty. Because the work yard at work is just filthy. And I had to pick up parts for them, so I had to go in the back, and it's just covered in mud. So, that was fun. I really enjoyed it. I see a couple people taking pictures, and when I had the weekend going there, I seen a couple of girls taking Instagram videos. Yeah, it's funny. See a couple people laughing at the overcompensating sticker behind me. It's just, you know, it's a good little boost of confidence. Even I struggle, right? Everybody struggles. And this is my anti-depressant pill. This is a giant anti-depressant pill for me. Whenever I'm feeling down, I'm on the trucks, got a full tank of gas, let's go driving. It makes me feel better. It's just something cool, right? I'm proud of this thing. Done all the work with my own friend. It's neat. And it's kind of cool to see people's reactions. It's always neat to see people's reactions, because they always change. They're never the same. Some people hate it, some people like it. I've seen a few Tesla owners give me thumbs down. They're Tesla owners. They're not real car guys. But yeah, so hope you guys all enjoyed the video. I'm gonna go check out the comic book store up there. It's been a while since I've been in a comic book store. So yeah, hope you guys all enjoyed the video. If any of you suffer from suicide thoughts, please use the link down below. Somebody loves you. I do. With that being said, I'll see you guys next weekend. Peace out.